What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to sell digital products online. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making passive income selling print on demand books, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This will take you step by step on everything that I've done to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So this video is not going to be an in-depth tutorial, but rather just to show you a place where you can actually sell your digital products. Now these are my results from selling digital products. My main digital product is my course, which you just saw, and I host that over here. And what is this place? This place is called Gumroad. So Gumroad make it super simple for you to start selling digital products. You might even have an ebook, a course, a bunch of videos. It can be any type of digital product. You can even sell physical products on here as well. So if we scroll down, you can see how easy they make this. Now I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how you can set up a product. So let's go back to here. Now, like I said, these are my results from the last 30 days selling my course. Now, once you've logged in and you've signed up, which is completely free to do so, it's also completely free for you to sell digital products. Just every time your product sells, Gumroad will take a little fee. So if we go over to here to products, you'd come here and you'd go to add a product, and this is where you can set everything up. So you can send customers to a different website if you want just here. You can sell a physical product, so you can actually sell t-shirts on here, and they do integrate with quite a few different platforms. But this is the one you would want. You would want the digital product just here. You can choose between a standalone product, a subscription, or a pre-order. Now with the subscription, if we click here, you can send ongoing content to your current subscribers or grant access to an archive of content to current members. Now if we go back, if you're interested, you would more than likely be interested in just selling a product. So right here you would do the name, so this is your name. Then you would choose your files. I'm just going to choose an existing one right now, so let's just take that. Here is where you would, here, let's do that. It's not letting me. Hold on. So right here is just where you would put the price for that product. So let's do £9. Let's do $12.99. See how simple this is. If you want to learn more when setting it up, you can click here, but all you would do is click customize. Then right here is where you would put your image for your product, your description, and then you're good to go. You would simply hit save changes, and then once you've saved it, you would get a link. And then all you would do is take your link and go and share that to someone who would purchase your product. Now the best way to do that is to build a following first. But as you can see, Gumroad makes it super simple to sell digital products. Now you would also have to go to here, you would go to settings, and you would put in your payment details, and then every other week Well, it's kind of like working a week in hand. So if you had your product and you sold it this week up until the Friday, you would get your earnings for that the following Friday. But I don't mind that at all. I like getting payments from Gumroad. It's like having a little paycheck that goes into my bank every Friday. So as you can see, this is super simple. If you have a digital product that you want to start selling, simply come and create an account on Gumroad, build this out. It literally takes seconds, as you just saw, and then go and start selling your product. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.